Did you see your little baby in there?
Come on, let's go say hi again. Do you see her in there?
That's your baby.
Yes, it is. She calmed down instantly.
Yeah. That's your baby.
Yes, it is. Huh?
Beep, beep.
Do you see her?
She does. That's yours.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So yes, it's mine.
Oh, it's looking too. The little baby's looking. Yeah. Oh.
Hey.
Yo.
You see?
You'll be able to see her better tomorrow when she goes into the brooder instead of the incubator.